Please fasten your seatbelts and remain seated. As you can tell by my soothing voice, this will be a pleasant ride without anything evil or nefarious. So please relax and enjoy the sincerity of everything I'm saying and suspect nothing. Your ride is about to begin. Please remember.
I've even better pilots than you. Come on, they're humans, not try to move people.
Welcome, trusting tourists, to this non-threatening time waster. You have nothing to fear except for too much fun. Please fasten your seatbelts and remain seated, and pay no attention to any screams of terror coming from the other victims. I mean riders. You did hear me say I mean, didn't you? Please remain seated until the very end of the ride, at which time, if you haven't been eaten, you may exit. Forget that last part.
We've got you now. You are our prisoners. Don't you feel foolish? The only way to earn your freedom is to help us attack Springfield. Aim your craft at your friends and neighbors. You know you want to. Have you never invaded a city before? That's a story on my report. Then curse your bastards! Get me a big one! Busyness is weakness. You can face your family after this?
Clear my Cadillac!
Your performance today sickens me. Pretend they've talked bad about your spawn. Let them feel that pride you earned. Let's see smoke and fire! Congratulations! You have successfully turned against your own kind. Now go in fear and don't enjoy your day at Universal Studios.
Please remain seated until your vehicle comes to a complete stop. Now you may undo your seatbelts and exit the ride vehicle. Please be nice and don't tell your fellow humans we're really brain-thirsty aliens. Thanks ever so much.